So when a new president orders that because there's so much gun violence going on in the country, and he comes in and he says, I have the right to take away the guns from everyone, then people, and he sends out the military to seize everyone's guns. We and the courts have to sit back and wait until every named plaintiff gets, or every plaintiff whose gun is taken comes into court.
That is the future, based on the thinking and the rationale posited by the Solicitor General on behalf of Donald Trump's government today.
The executive order on the table appears to be prospective only, right, for now. The problem is that the arguments that they're making in favor, in support of that executive order, there's no reason they couldn't be made retroactive too, right? So if they got this executive order through the gauntlet, they would be then free to try to apply it retrospectively, to try to go rooting around in people's citizenship, to try to see if they could find some break. Maybe a child at some point was born to people who were only here on visas, right? And under their order, that would not be sufficient.
President Obama. Vice President Kamala Harris, when you said that, that's where I went to. Donald Trump has already alluded to the Americanness, if you will, of President Obama.
Yeah, I mean, look, I actually, today we published a piece on our site where I spoke to a couple of experts about this, including an expert on immigration, and she raised this precise concern that Trump would try to use something like this against his political enemies if he had a tool like this available to him.